Hello everybody, I will tell you today one of reasons why your AirPods one is working and another is not working. We will open our box here in your AirPods, and I will show you the most problem it's coming from where. This how you can see my box of AirPods. It have some of dust and not cleans. This one reason of these AirPods not working very well. Just you need to clean it by some alcohols, or you can use a tissue and clean this area inside very well. And when you try to clean it, just you connect your AirPods again and you charge it some minutes and it will come working again. As you see here, it's some dirty inside and dust inside your box. It's this big reason of your AirPods not working very well. And if you found the same AirPods not working every time, it's mean yes, this a problem come from this place, because as you see here, a lot of dust and a lot of not dirty inside the box. So when you start to charge AirPods, it's not charging very well, and then when you connect it, it's not connected very well. So this is a reason of this problem. So if you want to solve this problem, you have to clean your inside box. So in last video, I hope everything was good you, and I hope if you subscribe my video, and see you. Goodbye.